Alright, so this is the tank badge that I've been used for this bike. Alright, just got everything out. Now we're gonna finish welding. Alright, gonna drop the frame off to get sandblasted. Yeah, this time I'm adding this part too. Finished welding everything yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. This is good.
Heavy. All right, tonight's side project is to make a rail for these power tools because I don't have space to hang these up. So I gotta put them on this welding table. And then when I work on the welding table, I tend to move it too much and then it falls back there. So I'm gonna make a rail to prevent the tools to fall over. All right, here it is, all finished. Let's do the shake test. Good to go. All right, while we wait for powder coat and paint, gonna be working on the forks. Gonna be shaving off the fender mounts over here, and then clean them up. And then the other day I was playing around with my 3D printer just to get more time with it, you know. And I made this. This is my shoulder head motor. But yeah, this is supposed to be bigger. It's called a light box. It's supposed to be bigger, but I just scaled it down to this size. I made one for the Honda Shadow as well. Then I made them in orange and put them right there. It's nice garage art. And then made one for the logo. But yeah, just wanted more time with the 3D printer. That way I can learn more. If you guys want one, let me know. Alright, we ran into a little problem. The Allen screw right there is stripped, so I got a weld on a bolt and took it off. Alright, it was super tough to get into there, but got it out. Alright, next we're gonna cut off the fender mounts, both sides.